The ingredients for the dough: 80 grams of butter, 50 grams of dark chocolate, 170 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 50 grams of cocoa, 170 grams of sugar, and 2 eggs. The ingredients for the filling: 1 orange, 80 grams of butter and 80 grams of sugar. At first, put some water in a small pot and allow the water to boil. Then the water boils, and then put the whole orange with the peel into the pot and boil it for 10 minutes. Then grease the pan you use for the cake with butter. Now we shall establish a water bath. Put in a large pot with water and a smaller one on the top of it. Boil the water. Butter and chocolate should be placed into the smaller pot to melt. The 10 minutes passed, and now you can take the orange out of the boiling water. The best thing is to pick it out with a fork and place it in a bowl. Make little holes using the fork. Be careful, the orange is very hot. Next you put flour and cacao powder into a mixing bowl. Stir in the melted butter and add the melted chocolate. Add the sugar and 2 eggs. Finally, add baking powder and milk and stir everything well until the dough is smooth. Cut the rest of the butter into small cubes. It should look like in the picture. Fill the greased pan with 1/3 of the mass. Put the form inside the bigger and press the orange into the center of the mass. Blend the butter previously cut into small pieces with the remaining sugar . and spread it around the orange. Cover everything with the remaining dough. Thereafter, close well with grease-proof paper and foil. Cook for 2 hours. We recommend to bake it in the oven for an additional hour. After 2 or 3 hours have passed, finally remove grease-proof and aluminium foil. Then put it on a plate. Let the cake cool and carve it. Somehow, the cake looks still like a toucan, doesn't it? Just kidding! Enjoy your recipe!